hi, it's your boy POSITIVE. Phinde sabuya, we back again with another banger episode. Right now, as you can see, ndobana ngoku izinto zitshintshile. I'm somewhere, maybe you wondering bandiphi. No guys, ngisekho lapha eMthatha. Niyayazi ndobana siyanifaka ezindaweni. Apho ndikhoyo use-VK Tatu Studio and Precinct. Siko lapha eMthatha eChelsea Building. Inkcukacha nizosifumana xa iphela le episode. As you can see uba apha kubhizi nje nam ngoku kuzawukhala umtshini uzongena enyameni. Yes, nervous, but I will tell you ndobana kuhamba kanjani. But jonga ndiqinisekile aba bantu bayawazi umsebenzi wabo. Nani nizosibolela. Masike sibulise nje nobhuti lona uzaniphathaphatha ngoku akazazisa intobana ungubani wabani yena. Khona nami ufriend. What's nami bhuti. Cela nje ukhucelela iviewers zethu. Bayakwazi abantu aba. Sibakhumbuze ngoku. Sibakhumbuze.
Yeah, mfethu. Yo, it's your boy UK la kwakhanya aka. You know the deal. Mfethu slap every as well as Chilo last time I searches people so Umjita decided to like visit us and then like we ended up like doing this. Otherwise it's like bona final product and then like details just drop us on the way. Let me go to work. Thank you.
Niyayazi ndobana asifuni besicalisa izinto. Sisemsebenzini wasesigqibeni. Ayo.
Dumelang sanibani abusheng mo lona height okhanyisile and we back again with another banger. We are at VK Tattoo and Piercing Studio, but this time around we have someone different. Uzosayela ba ungubani and wenza ntoni apha. Bolo bhutam. Unjani? Ngaphela ngicela sibone ungubani and wenza ntoni apha.
Ngicela ngibulise isifollowers zenu igama ngu-Inathi but igama endaziwa ngalo i-Iri yabo.
Okay.
Mina abe-VK yabo like ngimember yalapha ndi-specialize ngokwenza i-piercing yabo. And i-piercing yalapha like iphuma ne-treatment like i-specialize like into kwesigaba menza i-piercing yabo sesinika i-treatment abakwazi ukutrita yabo so that for the grand end of piercing yabo.
Okay, how long have you been doing your piercing?
I think last year December.
Buqala ngawe uyenza.
Like last year.
Oh, all right. Isikolo sakhe isabhaselwa ke mos, isabhaselwa. So how has it been working with VK?
There's actually like I changed ubomi bami. Yeah. I've changed ever since ngisebenza apha like ngiyakwazi maintain nami yabo into ezenzeka yabo.
Yeah.
So bulela amajite nami yabo.
Hayi ke kumnandi ukusebenza apha and ubhuti uyakulela bana uV no K lo VK guys lokhaveli one uV no K awasebenzisana naye kakuhle. And further question is now bana what piercing would you suggest bana yenza engcono, least painful piercing?
Engcono le I think nose piercing.
Nose?
Yeah.
Ebuhlungu yiphi?
Ebuhlungu edibanise ne-cartilage. Bebenzalo yenza okay ngoku. Yeah, ke noba ina 40s 50s.
Hayi mina umuntu asesento right ngoku ndiwonisha lapha. Inkosi kakhulu. Guys, that is it for now on the side of the piercing. Soon sizobona i-tattoo guy yethu sobona masikhulu sobona uyagcoca akalili ngase ndinibonise. Others from me to you.
Man. Ndiyafuna ke ubapha abantu bethu nobana njengoba usenza lo msebenzi umhle kangaka nje. Ndiyarhalela ubaxelele nobana uqale nini ukwenza lo msebenzi and what made you to do lo msebenzi.
Yeah, this time khona ngithatha ixesha lami answering your questions because
Yeah.
like throughout like benzi
Yeah,
ubone,
Burash.
yeah,
Yeah.
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 Let me take my time.
Please.
Khona nami ngiqale njani nini ne? That was a question.
Yes.
Qale 2020 mna act lami ukwenza i-tattoos ne.
Okay.
Ukwenza kwami i-tattoos as bana ngichili ba growing up being artist. Ngizifakarishe out artistry yami tertiary as bana ngichilo ne.
Okay.
So there was this friend of mine who introduced Lewe. He wasn't introducing it to me, like he was just doing it. Yabo. Now I'm for the love of art, I fell for it. Yabo.
Yeah.
Just like that. And then from that, I got draw. After going, no man, story some when it comes to drawing. Yabo. The umuntu othanda explore again, like the wave,
Yes.
like flexible.
Yes.
From that, the switcher to painting clothes, customizing clothes. I think there are people who still do that. I was once one of those people now. From there, that boy another was it portraits, like
Okay, wow.
wall paintings and stuff like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this is your work actually?
No, not this one.
Not this one, but
the
okay,
idea,
you do.
no, yeah, but I do stuff like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the name VK?
Uh-huh.
Like the word behind it, and how did you meet UV for banina nize nane company ngokusiyibona iphusha imisebenzi emihle kangaka?
Exactly, man. Fellow Pchita, lo sengithixo khona yami. Udibana wami naye, it was God doing it for like us. It's God did and us like
yes, it's God's plan.
Yeah, man. So like umjita feta came from Durban, surely Amaz, but he's not close.
Yes.
Came from that side, umjita like eze kwamadlelo akwenye indawo yabo.
Okay.
Uzospana kwenye indawo, but ke ngoku iproblem eyanayo apha kuspanele endlini, yeah. So he went out looking umjita azaspana naye.
Okay.
That time nami khona uQueen endandispane naye yabo, but so umjita wami wafika emthatha wapusha ne singazani. So umjita decide uba makakhangele artist azocollaborate naye and then bapushe yabo.
Okay.
Funny enough kodwa manje zonke i-artists zalapha emthatha uzihambile nomjita was the last one, like wayekhangela umjita angasifana naye yabo. I was the last and like ebeselahla ithema but ke sadibana yabo. And then from day one wangiqalela umjita straight up banike lami indawo sifanela kuyo andincayo due to this and this and that yabo. Like it was bold for umuntu ongakwaziyo nje bazokuxelela ba-space sakho si-right but asikho clean into ezinjalo ukubona. It was bold but like yeah but aqomba say what do we have to offer wena mfethu yabo.
Sure.
Then saqala ke nomjita sakhangela indawo safumana indawo apho yabo and then ezinye indawo potentially but sakhetha and abasikhetha le since like ikwindawo noko esicimba ikwi-center yasedown okunto bayaziyo yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how it came about udibana. And then the word came after sidibene yabo. Samuva in nomjita saqala uspana and then we decided that istudio funeka sibe negama yabo.
Yeah.
So instead of like amagama sizazorelate now rather sithathe amagama wethu like and then build ngawo. Since it's VK, it's Villa and K. Villa and Kwakhanya yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, and Brian, anyway, ufuna uringa man. Sine matches ayo wena futhi man yami. Like clothing brand yabo.
Okay.
But I don't want to talk much on that yabo. Ufuna like we put it into action yabo. Just ibama hapo. But sine matches ayo and then like
yeah. Niyazivela. Stay tuned. Bane matches ayo as banibona into bana kuyaqhutywa. Pissing wela ntoni ndiyakuxelela. Khona nami ndifuna nje ke ngoku ndixelele into bana what makes you guys unique. Ewe bakhona abanye abantu probably abakhoyo around uyabona but siyabona into abana abantu bayangena apha each and every time bafuna uzobona lo msebenzi umhle kangaka. What do you think eyona nto bazisayo abantu?
Firstly and for the most khona yami personality yabo.
Yes.
Personality zaqala khona yami.
Yes.
You have to like environment yasemsebenzini yakho uyenze like be comforting to abantu yabo.
Yes.
And another thing esenza unique khona yami, we are moving as a team, so kunyanzelekile sibe unique than abanye abantu. Abanye abantu are moving as like solos. See team khona like if ever I khona ngayiboniyo surely uyayibona umjini. If naye khona ngayiboni surely uyayibona omnye yabo. So I'm trying to say that we united like into zethu like same. We are three-minded because he three was under the studio yabo. You don't have to think yonke into ye studio yabo. So like Nesibhansaya to ke unique ke khona manje ke sona ke like
Yes, I can tell
hayi
nam
ke sona
ndilingqi.
andifuna uyiphatha ke leyo khona yabo
Yes.
ingase bangazitholololo yabo
Yeah.
ngabe ngathi
You talked about andazi noba ndiyaphapha but kodwa abantu bam ndiyathanda ubafaka ezintweni.
I
You
know.
talked about i-tour that you'll be having
yeah.
nizovisitha nase-East London on the
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
month.
yeah,
Can you
man.
tap on
Yeah,
that?
man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. About ithonja yami yabo
Yeah.
izakwenzeka yona yabo
Mm.
nakanjani
Mm.
but lixesha singekho sure izakwenzeka ngayo.
Okay.
But like if ever if izakwenzeka next week sizoyikhupha ipost a week before kanye 2
Okay.
weeks depending on khona into siyilindileyo ne
Okay.
i-approval esiyilindileyo so that so
Okay.
sixhomekeke kula approval for i-date esizayibeka uba okay sizabe se-East London for this day and this day and this day but like phasa banethonyana izaphelela e-East London which is Southernwood Amalinde iindawo zase-South like laseMonti
Okay.
basically yabo but ke ngozoshiyana ngamaxesha nangontsuku mhlawumbi let's say on a Saturday sobe se-Southernwood and then like sobe circulate kwi-building zase-Southernwood and then ke ngoku kanjalo kanjalo.
Asivale khona nam sibulele kakhulu.
Bless
Followers
you.
zethu nizivele apha kuse-VK Tattoo Studio and Piercing. Sisechezi building. Enye nenye nizosifumanela. Till next time.